Okay, so this is going to be the explainer video for Spanish study. We're going to break it down into small sections like we do. So let's zip up to the front. What I would recommend that you do is take this thing in small sections and even divide it by which finger you're using. So with these guys, all of the down-stemmed notes like this are going to be played with your thumb. I'm going to recommend use just your thumb on the first two measures, okay? And we're just going to nail down these guys. Don't worry about it here. Just not going to worry about those at all, okay? Here we go. Playing measures 1 and 2, thumb only, looks like this. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, thumb only. Here we go. So on its own, on its face, that isn't actually that tough, okay? And any person, even a beginning guitar student, could pull that off with a little bit of practice, in a, maybe, 10, 15 minutes or so. Okay, once you've got that section down, like we've done with some of these other songs, look for repeated parts. So in this case, I've got 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3 on the 5th string. If you look over the rest of the song, you're like, okay, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, got it. You look at measures 3 and 4, and what do you have? Bum, 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 no way. And then you look at measures 5 and 6, bum, 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 oh, sweet. Okay, so what we've got then is not a 6-measure phrase. You've got a 2-measure phrase here that's repeated 3 times, okay? So let's play that together. And again, just ignore the top notes for now. Okay, top notes, there. Don't need to look at those. All right, playing just the thumb part, measures 1 through 6. Here we go. 1, let's use right posture, Mr. Anderson. All right, there we go. There we go. So 1, 2, measures 1 through 6. Measure 3. Measure 5. Cool. Once we have that down, now let's add in the, I'm using my middle finger on this one. You can use whichever finger you like. And I like to anchor my pinky finger right here on the soundboard. So that way it kind of gives my middle something, it feels like I'm pulling against something. It makes it a little bit easier for me, okay? So, and like I said, take it slow and do it right. I'm going to add the middle finger, 1, 2, slowly, like this. Measure 3. Measure 5. Okay. There you go. Like I said, it's not a giant 6-measure section. It's a 2-measure section that you repeat 3 times. Okay. The last part of this phrase is this one right here. Measures 7 and 8. And the good news with 7 and 8, check this out. Here's 7. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I lost count. Bum, 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 bum. That's it, yeah. Measure 7 and measure 8. Good news with these, measure 7 and measure 8 are literally the same phrase, okay? So take measure 7 first, thumb only. No big deal, 3 notes, right? Let's do measure 8. It's the same 3 notes. Okay, let's play them both together. Okay, let's add the middle finger. Oh my gosh, let's play the right notes. There we go, cool. So once we get comfortable with that, let's do measures 1 through 8. Okay, back it up a little ways here. And when we're working with Soundslice, by the way, move this camera. Come on, dude. There we go. I'll just put it away for now. When we're working with Soundslice, I'll adjust the zoom level to make sure that it's the way that I like it. I want to be able to see just enough. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need a little bit more. I like to adjust the zoom so just the part of the song that I'm working on is visible. I don't need to see much more than that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Okay. I mean, there's like the open string over there. It's no big deal. All right. So let's try that again. And we're going to play this thing straight across. Okay. Here it comes. Just the thumb first, and then we're going to add the middle finger. Here's just the thumb. 1, 2, thumb only. Here we go. Okay, cool. Nothing to it, right? Let's add that middle finger. 1, 2 with the middle. Here we go. Notice my pinky stays anchored. My middle finger kind of has something to pull against. Here's measure 7, 7, 8. Okay. There you go. So that's the first part of the breakdown for Spanish study. Measures 1 through 8.